So the PPC skill that you learn in our program, you can right now, after you learn it and get good at it, you can, let's say beside being your own business owner, you can also make another type of money by being a freelancer on Upwork. You look at this Amazon PPC expert, Amazon listing, everything that I teach you, because the things that I teach you is a high income skill. You can make $80 an hour being an Amazon PPC expert. And this dude, he earned 800,000 already. And sometimes they just pay you to do audit. You see? And I don't think that this dude ever knew, like, too young, maybe 5 years. But if you can see that, he make 800,000. And remember, people can book you in for at least $200, $100 or $200. You can list your job like cheaper, let's say $50. You still make way more than your current jobs.
Right.
But you have proof. Imagine if you run your business and you make more money now. Hey, look at me. My business, but I can help you. $175 an hour. This dude make $500,000. This dude's right here make $500,000. This dude right here, 900,000. You see, Amazon not going to go anywhere. More brand will be on Amazon. And what do they need? People to run the PPC. It is a high income skill. PPC is a high income skill. Half of 900,000. This dude just get started, already earned 20,000. And you see his journey, his own brand. You see? So you can do it. 300,000, you see? Amazon experts, PPC listing, SEO, and PPC. What are the chances for you? High. So it's about reasoning why you want to start the journey. Okay?
Right.
So how much you make again on your jobs per hour?
40 something.
So right now this dude is 45. 49. Even starting out is 49. Highest,
Right.
175. $80. 105. You can do that too. Okay? You can just make a job post on there. List it for like $50. And I promise you, you'll get people pay you for it.
Right.
Okay? There you go.